Turn me up, yeah. What if somebody from the shadows
这就是没有拆。
原来这里高点有恐怖了。
你咋抠那么使劲儿？
有点气了，有点气了。
要命了，傻逼！
都拿了没钱。
The stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Sometime in the next 10,000 years, a comet's gonna wipe out all trace of man. I'm banking on it coming before my end-of-year exam. The rich kid becomes a junkie, the poor kid an advertiser. What a tragic waste of potential. Being a junkie's not so good either. You folks work hard for what you got. You're the fruit of their vine. Who cares what you sow and what you reap? Miss Greg and miss the stop sign.
Shit!
You fucking idiot. Give way, see?
Damn!
Fucking P-plater. And straight through the red light. This fucking idiot. Drive out, dummy. Right in front of the poor learner.
Morning, we are the radio station giving you the chance to win what you want. Thanks to Gomo Mobile, 25 bucks, 18 gigs. T's and C's apply, see gomo.com.au for details.
Fucking
Just go to
idiot.
our website, wsfm.com.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
Oh, what a fuckhead. What an absolute bastard.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
You're right here. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Jack Lifestyle's done something. Made a bloody mess.
Shit, how did that happen?
Don't know. He'd gone to sleep or done something to where he was.
That colour just went past that last one.
Yeah,
That was so fucking red.
yeah, you waiting for a red light.
You could score $500. Beauty Geek Trivia with Mix 94.5 and Beauty in the Geek.
That is just fucking stupid.
I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull.
Fucking dickhead. Come on, man. Fuckhead. Didn't you fucking look? Fuck! That is the second fucking time! Sorry. Yeah, not bad. That does sound good. Oh my god, watch out! Oh my god! Oh my god.
Oh. Scotty!
At least they gave way.
Scotty!
At least they gave way.
Like I said, I think a lot of like the Scotty dashcam Sydney ones are people.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh fucking hell.
That's why I said, oh my god, now.
Oh.
That's why I said, oh my god, now.
What the fuck is that? You gotta be shitting me! If you're gonna make her run, boy, better make it fast.
I think that the problem is, this government was elected saying it wouldn't introduce any new taxes. Now, that made sense last year, maybe it made sense before the war in the Ukraine started, maybe it made sense before inflation surged the way it did. I don't know, I'm not seeking office, I don't know how to win an election, but I know what economics tells us, and the idea of a windfall profits tax, the reason economists are so keen on it, a better way to fund the transition away from fossil fuels than to put a windfall tax on the companies making record profits selling our gas to other people, and use some of that money to help us prepare for the future that everyone agrees we're heading towards.
That's the Australia Institute's chief economist, Dr. Richard Dennis. He was speaking with ABC News Radio's Chris Mitchell, and the ABC has requested an interview with Origin Energy, but has yet to hear back. The Tasmanian Labor leader has announced that the Federal Labor Party will take over the state's branch to try to end factional infighting. Rebecca White says Tasmanian Labor will be co-administered by retired Senators Nick Sherry and Doug Cameron. The party's state election campaign last year was derailed by internal conflict. Ms. White says the decision's been made to give the Labor Party the best chance at returning to government in 2025. Laura Beavers has more. During that election campaign in 2021, these internal conflicts that have been happening really came to a boiling point and sort of derailed Labor's election campaign. We had He was at that time the state party president. Ben McGregor withdrew his candidacy in Clark and got into a dispute with Labor leader Rebecca White at one stage, threatening to sue her for defamation for some remarks that she made. We also saw Dean Winter, who's now the member for Franklin. He was a popular Kingston mayor, and his pre-selection was attempted to be blocked, but the Federals actually intervened then and made sure he was pre-selected.
You have dialed 8000. If your call is an emergency, please stay on the line. If you have information in relation to COVID or influenza, please call Health Direct on 1-800-020.
I know you'd like to think my life depends on you. Why don't you take a listen round? If your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking? If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last. You're running out of control. Police run out of control. Along the streets of your city. Russian justice rule the streets of your city. I hear a cry of anger rise upon this land. For he who cries out, puts the lies out, he takes his life into his hand. If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last. You're running out of
It's one way. It's one way. It's one way.
Move over.
It's one way.
Move over.
It's one way. Where do you want to? You see a big car?
Just move over.
It's one way.
Just move over, bro.
One way, man.
Move over.
Why are you trying to be hard? It's one way.
This is Carrie and Tommy.
Carrie Bickmore and Tommy Little, B105 Brisbane.
I think they're stopped up ahead. No, that might be off the road. No, I think they're stopped. Everyone's put that on, see if they notice us coming up fast. Just so that, put that on, see if they notice us coming up fast. Just so that. Yeah, no, he saw it, so it's fine. That's why they probably put it on, because people stop and then someone slams in on with speed, you know.
Jesus!
Shit, he did too. He wasn't paying attention. Jesus Christ. He did too. He wasn't paying attention. Jesus Christ. Obviously wasn't paying attention. Geez, we're all lucky. Did he nail anyone?
No, I don't think he did.
He went through that.